Jesus offers more than any place you can run to. His well gives everlasting life. Just for a moment, quickly think what your well offers. If you run to your well, whatever it might be, does it offer satisfaction? Maybe a short period of time, yes. But how do you feel afterwards? Do you feel, I'm filled up, I can go? Or do you feel empty? Jesus offers this eternal, that thirst that you have, and that's why you run to that well. He quench that thirst. From a broken cistern to living water, He leads us to His well. So He meets us where we're at our wells, where we run to, and then He invites us to His well, where we can drink from His well and stand fulfilled through Him.